great, isn't it? Look at that. Camping under a big umbrella. It's like I've wandered into Sleepy Hollow. Claustrophobic nightmare. The bleak, dark, long road ahead. Oh god. Difficult to know which way to go. I feel like a park ranger. Got a slight problem. Keep having these like hailstorms coming in waves. The scenery is fantastic. And it's like pouring with rain. But I just don't care. I've got my umbrella. We're good. There's always so much colour in autumn. I don't even know what tree this is. The leaves are like, some of the leaves are so red. That's great, isn't it? Look at that. Mossy tree, Blackbeard, Frogbase, some kind of mushroom. Oh, that's cool. I've done that so that you can keep the footpath dry. One tree has felled. If a tree falls in the forest and no one hears it, has it fallen over? Riddle me that. I thought I'd do like a shot of myself to show how ridiculous I look. Although it's kind of cool actually, because you can see like, it's like this, obviously the light on the sky behind me. It looks like I'm camping at night or something. Yeah, I'm camping at night. Yeah, it's night time and I'm like camping under a big umbrella. I'm not just walking in the rain with a hat, my not so waterproof coat and an umbrella, and I'm still soaking wet. It's hard to describe just how pleased I am that I'm stood around in the rain on my own in the middle of Wales. I don't know why this is so good. Swampland. I think I just can't get over the fact that you have all of this to yourself. Look at that. It's like out of a film set. It's like I wandered into Sleepy Hollow. Part of me wants to see if I could like climb up through that tunnel. It's like a claustrophobic nightmare, but also kind of interested to know if it just stays like that all the way. I don't think I should be considering climbing up there. That's not normal, is it? Like, what normal person thinks that? That's not a thing. It's a strange old place. On top of a bridge, it doesn't seem to go anywhere. There is a path. I like it up here. It's so like quiet and eerie at the same time. Just in the middle of nowhere. There's a cafe nearby, so I'm thinking maybe I'll refuel on tea and like biscuits and stuff before the the bleak, dark, long road ahead down this creepy track. Oh god, it's like gonna rain now. Drip, 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 splash, drip, drip, drip. That's such a weird word. Drip. Does it sound like drip? I think it's clear who the only drip is around here. Am I right, guys? Right, I'm just on the way to have a look at another waterfall and the fairy pools that it sort of pours into. Just got to follow this path around the tree line, and yeah, not so rainy today, which is good. Don't know how far down this path you have to go. Difficult to know which way to go. Let's have a look on the map. Look at those mushrooms. I just can't get down there. Because it's actually, you can't see it on the camera, but that's like really steep. Oh, I see it. Right at the top. Like right at the top up there. This isn't it, this is like a tiny little one. So I think this is the fairy pools. There's one down there, little one here. Oh, you could definitely have a little dip in there. That's just beautiful, isn't it? it's just so gorgeous around here. Waterfalls are my new favourite thing. I'm going to do like more waterfall hunting. Oh, I really wanted to swim in that pool. I don't know. Could I get away with it? There's like the odd dog walker. If I brought like a towel and some stuff here on a different day, it's probably not a good idea if I do it now because it would be so cold. I'm so tempted though. Apparently it's really difficult to get close to this one, so you kind of have to look at it from afar. I can kind of see why. Basically just a huge cliff edge, and it sort of just drops straight down the rocks. Can't imagine there's a very good spot. Absolutely fantastic. It's getting a bit dark though, so I don't know if this is going to look very good. I love this bench there, and a table where you can just sit here, have your breakfast. Oh, let's have a look out the window. Oh, I think that's the car park. So this waterfall that you're about to see, that I did actually manage to get to, just further along our path, I'm not sure if it's the same waterfall that you can see from afar in the previous clip. I never quite figured it out, so yeah, it's difficult to tell from the footage, but I think this one's a bit further right. Also, the sound of this waterfall, like close up, you can't really tell with the mic, but it had a sort of low rumbling echo that has sort of stayed with me. It was really eerie. I think it's to do with the acoustics of where it kind of lands. I feel like a park ranger. Yeah. I would take the hat off, but the hair it's hat hair, so it's not the best. I do feel like I could just totally live somewhere like this. Like, the longer I stay in these places, one day turns into 2 days, 3 days, and I start thinking, I don't know if I want to go back. Maybe I could stay here for a bit. I mean, I don't know, maybe not all the year round. I could certainly live here for like a few months, I reckon. Build a log cabin. Yeah. Or would I get bored staying in the same place and then I'd like want to move around again? I think if it was even more remote and there was like, because there is the odd person. I don't know. I just don't know. Next video is the I built a log cabin video with £1. I reckon someone's probably done that. That's got to be a video title on YouTube somewhere. And if it isn't, you know. There you can see some lights in the distance. Very faint. I'm just doing this because I just wanted to film how quiet it is. I'm the only one here.